Hello, y'all. Hello. Sorry I'm late there by like 2 minutes. Sorry I'm late there by 2 minutes. I'm really bad at my schedule at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really bad at my schedule. I'm not supposed to start at this time. I'm supposed to start like an hour ago. I'm supposed to start an hour ago. So I'm gonna try and fix it up a little bit because the thing is I don't like live streaming after 12 o'clock because that's when I like to start working on my videos. So I'm still gonna do probably like an hour and a half live stream. We'll see how it goes. But basically today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be fixing some bugs with the device mod. So let's go ahead and open it up right here. It's 4:30 here. I know for people in Americas, you're all good. For me though, it's too late. And I'm a little bit tired too. But I got my cup of Java. That's good. But how is everybody going? I got some cool stuff. Something cool to talk about. I need you guys to help me get ideas as well. So when we get around to that, then I'll start talking about it. But I want to fix up a ton of bugs because basically once I release the new version of the device mod, a ton of bugs were submitted to GitHub. One that I won't be looking at today, but if we actually just go to my GitHub here and we have a look on the list here. Well, first of all, we have 23. We have a bunch of bugs. Have a look at all this. So some of these older ones. Can't be addressed right now, or I don't know, one of these. But we're going to be trying to get these down a little bit more. I'm pretty sure I got to like 5 at one point with my issues. Now we're back up to 23 again. I missed so many streams because of exams. That's alright, dude. Diddy, I remember you. Diddy. Who remembers Diddy? The recipe for the chair and the router is only available for the red variant. No, it's not. No, it's not. I know it's not. 100% no, it's not. I think there's a bug with JEI that shows stuff wrong. Because I've tested it out. I know it's not. Because if we even look at the code. If we even look at the code, it will actually have different stuff. Look, office chair. Look at this, right? So, hold up. It may have been that I left a JSON file in here. But it shouldn't have. But, seriously, Lime. See, look at the data here. Specifically here. And, you know, here and here. Watch as I go to a different one. 10 and 10 here. 12 and 12. 15, 15. So 100% they're different recipes. You should show mine and do this project. What's your project? Oh, maybe not today, because it's related to something else. Maybe next gun mod livestream. But we have something cool. Some people are working on this kind of PUBG Fortnite mode with my gun mod, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna do like, eventually we're gonna have like an actual game with like a ton of people in it. And like, I don't know how we're gonna make it public though. Or if we're gonna make it public. I'm not sure. Because there's like a lot of, like, cause once we go public then like, we're gonna have like, it's gonna be like uncontrolled. You said you would release the mansion 2 days ago. Oh yeah, I was thinking like what I should do for a video.
Release our mansion 2 days ago.
I was thinking what I should do for a video last night, and I was like, I gotta do a tutorial for my gun mod. I am still gonna release the mansion. What I want to do, because what I was thinking how I should do it is, I don't want to release my whole entire world. I'm just gonna create like a new world with the mansion in it that actually looks nice. So it's gonna take a little bit of time for me to get that ready before I can actually do the video. But Creeper Gaming, I am gonna be getting it up real soon, and I'd like to say cheers for the super chat, the support. I appreciate you a lot. Alrighty, so first bug on the list. Image not rendering on first layout opened. Okay, so this is a weird one. Okay, so is it an image or is it res location? Okay, so let's have a look at this bug, see if we can reproduce it somehow. Reproducing is key. Can you please release it in download link? Yeah, it'll be a download link, don't worry dude. It will be a download link, so you'll be able to download it. So you'll be able to download it. I'm surprised Master Chief wasn't first donated today. Oh no. That's the first time my phone shut down.
Could you please release it with a download link?
The bug I reported is probably the easiest to fix. Yeah, once we get around to it. Alright, so apparently it's not URLs, but it's resource locations. So let's see if we can have a look here, because I want it in the right mode. Whoops. Please also do it with your world, please. I don't want to give up my world just because my world, like I was thinking about this, and like my world has like a personal attachment to it. like my world has a personal attachment to it, that I love it
world,
like so much that I wouldn't want to like everybody to have it, because then it kind of defeats like the purpose. I don't know like I don't know if any of you guys have felt that way about like a world or something. You're like, you just don't want to give out this world that you've spent hours on just to everybody. Like I can give out my mansion. I'm going to give out the mansion, but not the map. That's the most I'm going to be able to do, Creepers Gaming, unfortunately. But cheers for the super chat again, I appreciate you a lot. I'm only going to do the mansion. I have an attachment to the map. Love the stream. Thanks, Bro Show. Thanks for coming on. The map is too precious. It is. Alright. What am I doing? What am I doing? I was supposed to turn this mode on. True. Thank you for the mansion. You're awesome. That's alright, dude. That better not be illegal mum money.
Okay, thank you.
More cheese for that cup. Awesome. More cheese for the cheese and cracker supply. If you're new around here, subscribe right now. I want to help. I want to fill up that jar with some subscribers. Subscribe. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far as well, or if you guys enjoy the stream today, make sure you remember to snap that like button. Snap it right in half. Just because I need support. I need support. Let me know if you guys love the streams, pretty much. Wish I could double sub. I swear that almost said double dab, and I was like, what? Alright, so let's have a look. So that worked. So that's a URL image. So that was fine. I have a notification test. Hold up. Which one is it? Ah. That one. Check it out, Cray. I'm pretty sure the website's updated. What's updated? Get web. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to change this image around to a URL location. So, pretty sure we can do like that. And then we can do image.set. Set image resource location. And then we're going to do like... let's do something like GUI inventory. Alright, let's do like GUI furnace. I know, random. Random! For the link, please don't put it on a flat. Well, no, I'm gonna do like a proper thing. That's why I haven't like released the link, the download yet, because I actually want to do like a cool world for it. So don't worry, dude. I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna do it right. Ocelot, what are you talking about? Cray, I can't aim in the gun mode. I'm pressing the key, but it doesn't work. Are you pressing Alt? Are you pressing Alt?
For the link, please don't put it on as flat world.
I think I've got Mac options on here, so I know it's Alt or Command. It's Alt or Command. Alt for Windows, Command for Mac. Because I got one of those Logitech keyboards where they're trying to suit towards Mac users now. I need to get me a mechanical keyboard.
So
Cheers, Creeper Game. I appreciate the support, dude. I appreciate the support a lot. And yeah, definitely be coming out. It's option for Mac. Is it? You sure? Alright, well, whatever one it is. Because my Alt key has CMD under it, which is obviously the Mac alternative. I need to get me a mechanical keyboard. I asked like ages ago which one I should get. I'm thinking about getting like cherry reds. I think cherry reds because they're quiet. Well, they're most quiet. They're the most quiet ones. People said like any mechanical keyboard's good, but like I want to get good ones. If you guys have any ideas like what mechanical keyboard I should get, do let me know. So, oh, that didn't. Did we do that? We have to relive the game. But I'm thinking cherry reds, if anything. If you have a mechanical keyboard, let me know what you got. Let me know what you got. What type of actual keys do you have? The shader pack name? I use Silda's Vibrant Shaders, my dude. And I actually have a video.
Also, please tell me what is your shader pack name?
Silda's Vibrant Shaders. And I also put a video up on my main channel actually showing you guys how to make Minecraft look realistic. Because I asked you guys, you're like, should I do this video? And a ton of people were like, yeah. So there's a video on my main channel on how to actually make Minecraft look realistic and make it look like my Minecraft. Or better. So go check that out. Go check it out if you haven't already, because YouTube doesn't care about subscriptions anymore. It's all about viral videos. That's legit what YouTube is. And I swear, I've got conspiracies. I've been watching too much H3. But I got conspiracies. I got conspiracies. Alright, so we go to example now. Ah, yeah! So apparently the first time they don't load up. Or they don't load up at all. They don't load up at all. So what's happening? So when we actually... So is that being called? Okay, 100% being called. Is that being called? Yep. Standard loader. Spinner set visible false. Razor Black Widow. What's that? Like some RGB. Black Widow. Oh my god. Which one is it? Oh, it must be that one. Hey, that's not bad. I wouldn't mind one with like a screen on it. I know there's like one with like a gigantic screen, but then like apparently... Holy! What the... My god, who was that? Who?
Hey, Cray.
Master Chief. Cheers for the support, dude. My god, I'm never prepared for those. I am never prepared for those. Cheers for the support, dude. Appreciate you a lot. Holy shit, dude. I should get you like a $50. No, I'm joking. Where'd the $50 Patreon? No, I'm joking. But cheers for the support, dude. Appreciate you a lot. Oh my god. I'm never prepared for those ones. Never. Alright, so apparently it sets up fine. But then... does it actually draw it? Oh, draw full. No, it wouldn't be draw full. Whoops. Oh, what's null? Image. Cached image.
What folder do I put the shaders and mods?
What folder do I put shaders in mods? So have you got Optifine installed as well, Creeper Gaming? Because there's basically, you know how you got a mods folder, you got a resource packs folder. In that same, in those, where those folders are located, there should be a shader packs folder. So what's wrong with this? Loader, image, texture ID doesn't equal. How's this not working then? Oh, it is. Oh no, it doesn't have a border. Which one's it drawing then? Okay, apparently it's 100% drawing. Do I believe that? What version is it? It doesn't say. What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that, Creepers Gaming. It doesn't matter what version.
What version is it? It doesn't say.
Why isn't this working? Wasn't there like a on close? Did I not do that? Unless it's being like deleted. Delete this. Delete this. But then it would be null. Will be public act unless you don't want it to. Well, what server is it going to run off? Is it going to run off the server we're on now, or we're going to do like a different server? Oh, okay, yeah. Because it wouldn't work if it was on the sponsor server. Someone already programs a headshot mod. Can you react to my dank new video? What? Because I don't know if I have to be in chat in order for it to work. Do you still need me to do the thing from chat? Will you ask me in PM, or is it gonna be in the future? Oh, yeah. Here we go, dude. Hold up. Ka-ching! Start typing now, dude. Send a new message. Send a new message, dude. Ka-chinga! Ka-chinga, chinga, chinga. The cracker fell out of the supplies. Did it? No! Rest in peace, cracker. If you're a new person around here, subscribe right now. We need to fill up that jar. Let's see if we can get it to the top. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Subscribe right now. I'm unsure why this ain't loading. Why this ain't loading. Let's just make sure it's not anything to do with, like, alpha. So, that's all good. Maybe there's something not... Maybe it's something to do with image width. Image width. Where is that used? Why is there an else there? Oh, it's just a rectangle. Draw full. Alright, let's have a look what these variables are. We have an issue. Image width and image height at 0. When that should be, in fact, where is it? Set resource location. So this is the problem that we have. Set image. Where's this get called from? I see the problem. Set loader. So we're supposed to be saying draw full, and same with this too. So it's a bug within the actual there we go. See, now it's actually drawing it. So it was just a bug within the actual methods here. Like manually doing it, because up above it does do it. So for instance, wait, why have we got this one? What's the difference? Oh, that uses that. I really need to figure out a way to clean up these arguments, because like, look, like just think about how many parameters there are. Left top, component width, component height, image UV, width, height, resource location, but I need to also add an option for like source width and source height. I got the source, no ketchup, just sauce. That meme's dead. See your meme in the park. See your girl in the park. That girl is uckers. Device API tutorial part 2. I waited 9 days. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be getting that out tonight. I'm so like, I don't know why. Like, I've literally got it exported. I've got 2 more videos exported and I haven't published them. I don't know why. I'll get it uploading after this live stream, promise. Just source. No bytecode, just source. Cray, I think there's code for the device API. We need to put code in build Gradle and delete list sorter, but I can't find the code. What do you? I know what you're talking about, the build thing. But what are you trying to ask? But I can't find the code. Okay, so if you want to include it, it is simple. I'll have to. I think I pinned it. Did I pin it? Hold up, I can find it. You can search it up, by the way. Build.gradle. If I do that, right? Here it is. Jump. So I pinned it. I pinned it in the discussion. There you go. How much longer are we going to be live? Probably an hour. So that pretty much fixes up those bugs. But I need to create a way so it's easier to actually add like these, because right now it's kind of weird. I just don't like that there's so many parameters. It just really annoys me. I've got a ton of different constructors. Alright. Okay, thanks. That's alright, dude. So I have to figure that out. Hey, what up, Alpha Think? Hey, Mr. Gravish, how's it going? I just got here. What up, MV and Gulling 47? Sorry I missed your message there, dude. Sorry I missed your message. I'm doing good, dude. I'm doing good. Nah. Yesterday was so horrible, guys. Yesterday I woke up with a headache and like had a headache all day. So I was literally like dead. I was trying to play Fortnite too and I was just... I could not play Fortnite. I could not play Fortnite. I played some Forest last night too. I love the Forest. I've been building my base. I feel like I should do some live streams on the Forest. Just to show you guys like what I'm doing. I feel like that'd be cool. Because I'm building a base. My base is not that good actually. I mean, it's alright, it works well though. I basically build birthday traps. And I'm good to go. Also, I've got like 300 cloth. Because I do things... I did a cloth run. There's a specific cave that just keeps spawning in cloth. So, I think we fixed that issue. Fixed that issue. Until we have a better system for it, it's going to be fixed for now. From my experience, everyone is just mean in voice chat. Oh, I don't go voice chat. I just do solo dolo. So... I can push it onto master. When I close my eyes, you can almost see it. Why have we got gradle properties? What even I don't want to ignore that. Alright. Undo that. Alright, fixed. Not showing an image. Fixed resource condition not showing with image. Closes. Fixed. Fixed. Fixed images not showing. Yeah, there we go. Closes hashtag. Closes 88. Hopefully that's the issue. I feel like that is. Fixed images not showing. What was those changes? Okay. Synchronize. So that's one bug crunched. Bug crunched. Can we get a bug crunched, everybody? Bug crunched. Can you do vehicle mod live soon? I'll have to do that actually, yeah. Bug crunched. I need to I want to create like the parts to all these parts to the vehicles. Like we actually need to create an engine model. Bug crunched. I need everybody. Bug crunched. Bug crunched. Minecraft crashes in banked application. Ah, yes. So, this is probably one of the worst bugs that nobody ever thinks about. Because you feel like it will never happen, but if you go like... So, the maximum value of an integer is like 16 million or something like that. However, this is more than 16 million. So if I go to withdraw... Oops. Oops. So, as you can see, number format exception pass in. So, if you actually have a look at the integer, number format exception. Number format exception. So, if you have a look here, we need to do like withdraw. Oh, penguin song. Do you guys remember when I sang the penguin song? Oh my god. I need to clip that like properly. Bug crunched. You should eat 1 cheese and crackers for every bug crunched. I literally don't have any. I don't have any crackers. I don't have any cheese. I'm going insane, guys. I'm going insane. I remember I just missed it and wasn't paying to the stream at the time. Wait, what? I've already clipped it. If you want, I can send it to you. That'd be awesome, dude. Like the actual full thing. Like the full entire thing. I wasn't... Alright, I remember I just missed it and wasn't paying attention to the stream at the time. I have a... Yeah. Alright. Just making sure. So maybe we do something like... try... catch number format exception. And then what we can do is like amount field dot clear, and then we could do like we'll have to do this as well for like with depositing. The message should be, you're not that rich. You're not that rich. We'll do dialogue. Whoopsie. Get away. I'm importing the wrong class. Get out of here. Where are you? What the heck? Get out of here. Dialogue message. Value. Yeah, not that rich. Oh my god. Someone's like, keep that in, please. Open dialogue. I'll make it proper, but I just want to do it for now. Open dialogue. Oh my god. You are not that rich.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah.
You are not that rich.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're into
That's drug money if you're making that much money. Are you making bugs or fixing bugs? Fixing bugs. Of course. We should really do something like that. Just pause it first. Makes it more easier to understand. You are not that rich. How do you get the light switch option, or did you remove it? It's actually a separate add-on. I'm going to update it soon. The only reason it's not out yet is because when I first wanted to initially release it, it wasn't possible. However, I want to refactor it a little bit so it's easier to connect up all the lights. Because how I was thinking about doing it is like making it so the lights all connect to a router. However, someone suggested adding in like a light controller, so what you would do is instead connect all lights to a controller and then connect that controller to a router. then it's like a lot easier to actually do everything, because then you can basically turn on all the kitchen lights with one switch. I might like still make it an option so you can actually connect lights up to a... You can still connect lights up to a router, just in case you want to do one, but the controller so you can actually link up multiple, because that would be a cool option. I get 20 FPS with filters. Rest in peace, my dude. Rest in peace. Gotta refine that good bug stuff. So the bank. I'm making bank! You are not that rich. Oh my god. That's possible. You are not that rich. It's funny. Alright. Number. It's not too much. Like, I can change it to like a long, but I don't know. I don't think anybody would have 16 million emeralds at any point in Minecraft, so that's why I don't need to go make it a long. Too many. Go. There. But okay, one thing I do need to be careful with is you can be deposit, right? So that's not it's legal. So it's about up to here, right? I think that's, yep, so here, right? So if you add this like tons of times, then you're gonna break the server or something like that, so it might crash the server. So I might have to say if larger than a certain amount, because we're gonna have issues there. You should add a webcam to the mod. Maybe, we'll see. It's possible. Because of you. Oh crap, BRB dinner time. Or maybe you can make a light switch and you connect the light switch to the lights. That might be a cool idea. Either a controller or maybe two separate blocks, to be honest. Two separate blocks. We can do that. That's not a bad idea, Jaden. I appreciate the suggestions a lot. Because a switch would be cool. People might have thousands of emeralds in modded, yeah. But are you really going to have more than 16 million? That's my thing. So we need to go deposit. So what's happening? Camping lights, paint the sky. Oh my god, where'd it go now? Why'd it... There it is, my god. One thing I have a problem with in IntelliJ is managing tabs. You can pin them, right? But I feel like it doesn't come up with the most recent ones that you're always using. This was hidden somewhere. Is there a way to change around the tab properties to actually make it use the most recent and put it at the start? You would have a pretty crazy virtual hoarder to have 16 million emeralds. Pretty much. Alright, so it's gonna amount So we need to like actually. So here's where we can check for it. So we can say amount. Oh my god, spiders. Sorry if that was spamming you guys. Everyone watching the stream probably thinks there's zombies near them. True. You should add a percentage to say how full the bank account is. You'd probably be at like 1% all the time, so there's no point. What happened to the boat races app? Disabled it for now just because it's like unfinished. I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna make it like I might change it around instead of being like an actual editor. I mean, maybe I'll still add the editor, but make it more basic. Make it more basic. Is Nightbot enabled? No, I don't like Nightbot. Where's Master Chief? Master Chief! Add Minecraft app. That was really weird. When I posted the message, it was almost like you responded instantly, when in reality, you got annoyed at the perfect time. What? Here. Yeah, we got moderators in this chat. Nightbot doesn't do well. It doesn't understand context. You know what annoys me so much? You know what annoys me so much? Is I think there was like this what's it, there was that robot, right? I'm not sure, do you guys know how there was that robot that apparently got citizenship? Like this AI robot that got citizenship? Let me know if you guys know about that. There's that robot that got citizenship in some weird country, I don't know what. And then like, I'm not sure what his, like, the person who created it looks exactly like the robot as well. But basically, like, there's all these misleading videos on Facebook. It annoys me so much because like there's this one video where he's showcasing the robot, right? And he's basically having a conversation with it. But little does everybody know, like this is how like, I don't want to say people are stupid because people aren't really stupid. But like, pretty much everybody that doesn't know anything about AI thinks that this robot is literally like the end of the world. They think like it is the end of the world, but little do they know, like literally this conversation is programmed, because like this video showed a robot having emotions. It literally showed a robot having emotions, which is impossible as of right now, and not until a very long time, because like how do you show emotion? How do you show emotion? That's a human trait only. Or, you know, an actual real, like, a living thing's trait. Like, you literally cannot program emotion. And, like, people are like, this is the most advanced AI in the world. I think, like, Siri or, like, Google Assistant is more advanced than this robot. Because this guy, they literally just programmed a conversation. They literally just programmed a conversation with this guy to make it look like the robot was smart, but in reality, it was not. And it was like, you know, I think it was like Facebook developed like an AI and they started communicating with each other. They started communicating with each other. Like, people are like, they took that out of context as well. They took that out of context as well. It was nothing, I forgot what it was. I think it was just like, they started communicating together and they didn't know what was happening. So they just shut it down. Yeah, the robot is Sophia, and it got citizenship in Saudi Arabia, of course. There we go. No wonder it got citizenship. It's literally probably the dumbest robot you've seen. It's just programmed to look smart. Like, if I go up to it, what pizza should I get? If you ask it things like, what's... Like... You know, what pizza should I get? It's not going to be able to, like, respond. I don't know. Like, if you ask, like, what does happy feel like? It's not gonna, like, it's not gonna know what happy feels like. Like, it's just... and the thing is, like, the worst thing that, like, it's not like, you know, I don't care, like, it's just, you know, it's not a real AI, you know, it's just made look like it. It's like, it's no problem with that, right? It's more so the people that think that AI is, like, real now, and actually that advanced. That's my problem, is the people that actually think it. And that's why I hate Facebook as well, because I literally watch any video, like, you know those ones where it's like, it's those kind of math problem memes, where it's like, it's all those math problem memes, and then people literally, there's so many people, like, where you gotta do, like, people forget about what is known as bed mass or bod mass or whatever, where you do, like, brackets, brackets, I forgot what it stands for. Brackets, exponentials, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Like, people forget about that and do wrong answers. But, like, it's not wrapped around it, so you don't get to do it. I don't know. I'm just ranting right now. Because I literally hate Facebook and everything that's misleading. And, like, there's so many people that believe, like, it's annoying seeing it, to be honest. Especially, the most probably common one that I see is, like, people falling for those fake giveaway pages. Like, people that fall for the fake giveaway pages, where it's like, we have, you know, like 5,000 iPhones in stock, and we need to get rid of them. Like and share this page with your friends, and comment done, and we'll give you a free iPhone. I've seen that so many times. Have you guys ever seen that page before? And, like, I always tell, like, if I see a friend do it, I'm like, it's fake. But then it's like, people just don't know the difference between real or fake ones. Because they basically mimic real pages. So, like, I've seen them mimic, like, actual shops around my area. So, like, if you're from Australia, you'll know about, like, Woolworths. Like, there's been, like, fake Woolworths ones, like, giving you $100 gift cards. But I just, I get triggered on Facebook just because how much stuff that I see that people believe. Alright. So we need to go ahead. So we need to manipulate. So like if account.get balance plus amount. Oh, how can I do that? Check if more than max value. How can I check if it's more than max value? Oh, I have to do it in a long. So if we do long value, account.getBalance plus amount. So if value is more than integer.max. Okay, so how do you check if a value is longer than long.max value? So long's like the longest. Math.add exact. You go course, make a bigger data type and check it was faster way. As long as you know this price can be 10. I can. Oh, I can't do that though. Bum 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 bum. Bada bada bum. Oh my god, he should make a mod that makes more pets. Long.max value. No, I don't want to do long. I'm storing it as integers. So we want to convert it to a long and then check if it's larger than the integer max value, because I can't add two integers together, otherwise it will overflow. Because you can't add two integers of max value together. Or you can't have like max value plus 1. It's impossible to store it. So if that's plus amount is more than max value, then we need to do amount equals integer dot max value, take account dot get balance, and that give us a new amount. Alright, so there we go. That's actually checking for it. I think that's all we need to do. Deposit is the one important one. Alright, bug crunched. Bug crunched. Alright, hold on, we gotta fix up my text. Value too high. What should our message be? Too much. Too much money. Invalid. Invalid amount. I say invalid amount. Invalid amount of maximum. That you can deposit. Alright, there we go. And then also maybe instead set text 0. Bug crunched. Can we get a bug crunched? Hashtag bug crunched, everybody. Bug crunched. We'll test it out again, just to make sure that it's all working. Raw. Bug crunched. Another one that fast. We spent actually quite a long time on that one, so we still got a ton more to do. We might have some can literally like one line of code. Some are just literally one line of code, so get a bank, transfer, that amount of maximum deposit is. What is this value? So maximum value is, so that's 1 million. So it's 2 billion. Is that right? Integer max value. It is. Sorry, I was thinking of something else. I think I was thinking of short. Now, what am I thinking of? Short. What's... What was I thinking that has 16 million? Primitive data type. It's like 2 Java max values. Alright, so it is 2 billion. 2,147,000,000. Is that true? Yeah, it must be. I swear it was like 16 million. Alright, there we go. Knowledge gained. Knowledge gained. Where am I bug crunched? Bug crunched, my dudes. Alright, officially bug crunched now. Fixed. Bank crash. Fixed bank crash. Maybe you are from another universe. Mandela effect. Fixed crash with bang. Bug crunch. Hey techie. Hey techie. Rest in peace, sponsor. Rest in peace, sponsor. Techie. Alright. Ah, I forgot to close it. No, fixed. Alright, that's just a feature. Light blue router, trade yellow router. Ah yeah, this is one that needs fixing. The light blue router has the same recipe every other device has the... Ah, okay. I don't know why... I was confused about this, Jackson. You're like, in GA it shows that as well. The library router also has the same recipe. And every other device has the proper crafting. Like, you just said the opposite of the bug. Reference this issue. Update yellow. Ah, yeah. So it was just a bug in the router yellow where it's going to be 11. Ah, yellow. It's gonna be 11, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright, there we go. 100%. Yeah, yellow, just 11. Alright, what was the issue? 82. I'm not even gonna test it. I'm that risky. Bug crunched. Bug crunched, my dudes. Fixed. Yellow. Bug crunch. Ah, I forgot to close it. Ah, keep forgetting to reference it. My issue. Bug crunched. Loading wallpapers on servers. Ah, that's not a bug. App states. That's a feature. Make a method that will check whenever the app is open or closed. We'll have to check that. Rendering weird in item frame. Alright, so there's a PR for this. Oh wait, oh yeah, it's working. So I think Fabi50 updated all these, so he actually made them look nice. What do they look like right now? Is that all of them covered? So printer, a laptop, Yeah, laptop. Office chair. We're gonna make it look nice for all of them. I feel like these ones haven't been... Definitely haven't done these parts. These definitely don't look good. These definitely do not look good. So we can accept his PR. Merge it to master. Squash and merge. Make sure we're good. Sync. Merge it. Cheers, Amundo. Fabby50, appreciate ya. I don't think he's here. If that is now add cheers fixed in hashtag. Let's just make sure you update this person with information. Oh, I forgot to add people to donation thing. Hold up. Who donated? Who donated before? We got Fabby, we got Master Chief in there, of course. Who was that other person who did the super chats? Hopefully they're still on the list here. Oh yeah, that cool. Creeper. Gaming. Gaming's MC. Creeper Gaming's MC. So if you guys ever donate during these live streams, I put you in that list. I put you in that list. Bug crunched. Synchronize. Synchronize swimming. I did on Gun Mod Live. Can you make more adventures like the space station adventure? I might try and do it, yeah. Just takes a while to set up that space thing. People got hella sad with that because I left who was it? What was his name on it? I left him on there. No, I killed him. I killed him. The thing is with that space mod adventure thing is that it's like super hard to update the map to latest versions. I think it is fine. The list is the way to Burger King foot lettuce. Number 15. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. They leveled up. What do you mean? They leveled up. They leveled up. They leveled up. It's like you're in the game. They leveled up. My issue bug crunched. Hope I'm not late. No, you're not late. See you later, cheese. Stayed for like 2 minutes. What was the point of that? No. Huh. It's like impossible to put a laptop in the item frame. It's not centered. Fabby 50. Yeah, that one's fine. How come it's different to the one he posted? So if you go here, see 74. Oh no, it's the same. I was just confused. Yeah, some of them need to be recentered. Anyway, I knew I was going to have to do a bit of that. See how like it's got a 1 pixel gap at the top here, but then at the actual bottom of it, it's got like 2 and a little bit. So that needs to be reorganized. So what files are they? Ah, they're all the full office chair full. Block office chair full. Display fixed. -2. I go toilet. Rip. So that's a little bit better. It's pretty much there. Maybe like 2.1. I want to make it perfectly send hashtag toilet break. It did nothing. 2.5. Did it reload? Hold on, we have a reload issue. Oh, don't worry. I don't know why, but any old mods that I add in here still get like reloaded. There we go. Clean. I'll do like a whole entire commit where I'm cleaning up. I might make these bigger too, just so it looks better in the actual item frame. Flash drive, fixed scale. Maybe like 7.5 instead. Women and games. What did I expect? They leveled up. Toilet crunch. Hey! Uh-oh. 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 Why has it got translation on the Z? They leveled up. Yeah, me here. It's almost 3 AM. Oh yeah, Fabby 50. I merged your commit. I merged your commit. Why do you have translation on the Z? It's kind of weird. Hello, Cray, it's me. I just watched your video on how to install the gun mod. It was very helpful, thanks. No problem, Rami. No problem, Rami. That's the point of the tut. That's the point of the tut. Alright, there we go. USB is looking a little bit bigger in there. That looks nice. I saw that. Got an email about it. I fixed it. I might like... What I'm going to do with this one... We lost half of the tree here. Let's fix the tree back up. Poor tree. Poor tree. Call the 1-800 tree abuse hotline. The 1-800 tree abuse hotline. To save trees now. What I'm gonna do is... If we go laptop... let's have a look. Block. Laptop full. Fixed. What I'm gonna do is rotate this. Fabby 50 help my client proxy is being an idiot. I don't know, what do you guys think? How should this work? Should we have it like that? Yeah, this definitely needs to be bigger as well. I feel like double the size should do well. I'm in bed techie. Maybe we make it like 90. Looks good either way. You just being too nice. You just being too nice. You gotta be honest. Does that look good? Does that look good? It doesn't. I'm tired. That's beautiful. It needs to come out like 0.5. It's beautiful. Too much. No. Put a laptop in it. Should I keep that, guys? So I was like, why is there a laptop in the item frame? Yo, they need some shelter. I'm a refugee under this laptop. I ain't got any shelter except for this laptop. No shelter except for this. Help me. You can support me by calling 1-800-REFUGEE laptop Cray. It's a legit line. Refugee laptop Cray. But it does actually look pretty good when it's big. Not gonna lie. Alright. So that looking good. What does the router look like? Yeah, that definitely needs to be bigger. That definitely needs to be bigger. Fixed. Okay, 90. That's good enough. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cray, when do you think the sucker mod will be out? Not for a little bit. Not for a little bit. I still gotta fix up bugs. I still gotta make it usable for everybody. Soon, please. Or was on the Cray pack. Was. How big are these things? It's like 2. So it needs another one. We should add vehicles to CBG. If that's possible. I reckon it's possible. That'd be so cool. Actually have the ATVs in it. Have the ATVs. So how much we got? Vroom vroom bang bang. 0. Pure 0. It's rare. It's very rare. Ah, perfect. Y'all want a router? Sucks I can't do like the vertical router. I don't know if I'll change that around to it. I was tempted to change this around to the vertical one. Change it around to the vertical one. That's pretty good. Printer. Of course we're gonna put it. We're gonna make it go 90 again. %, gonna make it go 90. It's either we add vehicle mod or we add transport simulator mod. Yeah, it depends. Depends. Because one is more advanced than the other. One is more advanced than the other. Looks so funny in the actual thing. But it's kind of good. Make it vertical, someone said. Yeah, I feel like it should be. It looks so cool with it just sideways. I don't know why. Someone put a printer in there. Like, why you would want to do that, I don't know. But you can. You can. It's kind of a cool touch, to be honest. Let's make it so it's not like, I think it's like 6.5. Looks normal-ish. It is normal. Why do you gotta discriminate, guys? You guys are discriminating. The airplanes mod is pretty cool. It's crazy to drive. It's crazy to fly though. I still cannot fly that wooden plane. I'm not gonna lie, I still can't fly that thing. I don't know how to fly it. Like, literally, any sort of turning on it, like the littlest bit, will make it crash. I really wanted to land that plane. I must give it a shot. We'll do like a live stream where we just fly the plane. Alright, so that's good. I think the chair's fine. Chair's good. Could make it a little bit closer, maybe. Someone's like, full size with the chair, please. Imagine if we had the chair like this, coming out like 90. No, I won't do that. It doesn't make sense. We could make it a little bit bigger though. Maybe like... Here's 7.5. It might be too big for it though. Yeah, we're gonna go frame my printer. Yeah, I said that was gonna be too big. Maybe just 7. And then we just need to translate it down a little bit. Translate it down. Peeps don't appreciate your amazing mods. They need to check them out. They're the best. Appreciate that message, dude. People do appreciate them, but maybe not enough. Maybe not enough. Who loves my mods? People are like, no. I hate them. Why do you even develop, Crayfish? Why do you even develop? Alright, that's looking pretty good. What haven't we done? Have we done everything? Yeah, we've done everything. Improved. Improved. Iron frame. Improved model definitions for item frame. Improved model definitions for fixed positions. For fixed type. Commit. Synchronize. If you have time before you end the stream, could you take a look at... I'm not going to do it today. I'll do it if I do another gun mod thing. I'll do it later. If anything, it's probably better to do something when we actually get to... when it's actually at like more of a, you know, a final stage instead of just like a concept. I'm not sure what the progress of it is now compared to yesterday, but I'm gonna guess it's not a final product yet. You should be... you can move the chairs up and down. What? We need to take a look at this stuff, because I think this is gonna be broken. Yeah. We need to do all the renders for this. 100% broken. Some of this stuff will work. So like kinda works. Still needs better translations. RAM. It's back to front. Like this will work straight off the bat because it's just a natural item. Like some of these, only these two are natural items. Same with the Ethernet cable, that should work straight off the bat. Yeah, it does. Looks pretty cool. Works straight off the board. I'm totally donating $25 per month to someone whose mods I hate. Maybe he has questionable ways of doing things, but they are all around good. Questionable. What do I do that's questionable? Nah, it's probably a lot of things I do. Cray my money. The SSD though. Why'd you put an SSD in a USB? That's the one everybody flipped out about. Literally everybody flipped out about that. Cray my modding project doesn't resolve Forge Boon. Help me. Make sure you set up with decomp workspace, then refresh it. Make sure that it is actually successful. Alright, we need to create things for them now. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today. Maybe we'll wait till tomorrow to do all these. Because it's going to take a little bit. Let's see if we can fix up one more thing. Fix up one more thing. One more ting. Crash. If you connect 3 receivers routers in a circle and put a laptop to one of them, you can't use them without Minecraft crashing. If you connect 3 receivers, I don't know what this one means. If you connect 3 receivers, so obviously routers, so grab these, apparently is it like connecting them all up to I mean, we've got a billion things here. Yeah, I don't know what that issue is. I even asked, you know, if you connect 3 receivers in a circle, you can't connect them to each other. Pretty sure you can't. Ah, yeah. Like, right now, that is connected. Let's test this out. Break that. What's this connected to now? Which route is it connected to? It's because it hasn't updated. Oh, now it's not connected. It shouldn't disconnect that. It shouldn't disconnect that. So it's already connected to that router. Like, that's not supposed to happen. Hold up. See, like, okay. Okay, let's try this. Maybe go game mode S. Grab that. Oh, did that drop 2? Hold up, game mode S. Does that drop still? No, it doesn't. Why is it dropping 2 now? Why does it drop 2? Why does it drop 2? The question is unsolved. Since when did that drop 2? Master is making a render for CG and we need an extra person in it. Should we add Naubus? Yeah, you can do. He's got a cool skin though. He's got a cool skin, so it'll work well. Why is that? I have to look into that issue. Because I tested this out, I know I did. So like, okay, we'll have this here, right? Make sure I keep using that same laptop. Oh no, I think it breaks because of Forge. Hold up. So if we connect that up, let's go game mode S so we actually don't lose it. There we go. So that should be connected up to there. Yep. Let's double check. Yep. Break that. Doesn't really matter which one I have. If I go out of range, because I'm pretty sure I tested this out, unless it's like a new feature that I haven't like pushed in yet, which might be the case. Let's connect to whatever one. Doesn't really matter too much. Let's go game mode S. I don't know why it's dropping 2. It's kind of annoying. So we should still see that's connected. Yep. Alright. So if we go back over here, this should still be connected to this router. Huh. Okay, maybe there's an issue. Oh wait, where is this router? Oh, it's right there. Maybe there's like a branch that I haven't... Oh yeah, maybe I didn't merge it? Maybe I didn't merge it? I feel like I did though. Huh, very strange. I have to look into that. I thought I made it so that was the behavior of it. Pretty much right, if there was like a laptop, right, and it wasn't... and it got disconnected from our router, it would find a new one that it remembers already. However, I'm going to change up the behavior of how it works. So how it should work is that basically there'll be a primary router that it's connected to, which is explicitly defined when you actually connect it through the menu. Otherwise, if it can't find that main router, you know, look for its other routers that it's connected to before. Alright, I'm not going to deal with that issue right now because it's more of a serious issue. I don't know how to replicate it at all because they gave me no information. If you ever submit bugs, tell me how to replicate it, put screenshots in. I know some people do it correctly and I thank you. We'll say... Hold up. Did we synchronize that? Yeah. What was it? Improve. Improved in. Improved in. Improved in blah blah blah. Alright, issue closed. Bug crunched. Bug crunched, everybody. Yeah, some other ones we got rid of. But I think that's going to end off this live stream today. So thank you guys for coming to this live stream. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts for you guys. I know I don't tell you guys about the retweeting of it, but you should know automatically if you're a regular. If you're a regular. And we got shoutouts here to Shane TDS, Zahn DL, Fabi50, Horticorps, and I'm pretty sure that is it. Let's just double check for any quotes. Doesn't look like it. Alrighty, there we go. I have a ton of notifications I gotta check here. A ton of notifications from Twitter I gotta check. But cheers guys for coming out today. We got some bugs crunched. We still gotta do some more fixes to this soon. And then we need to figure out what we're gonna be doing next. I know somebody's been suggesting, like, you know, compatibility with like RF and that type of stuff. But what do I really want to do next? There's a lot of things. I've got like a whole item list of things I need to do type things. I think we did improve the API a little bit for developers out there. We need to improve the API. Check the general premium chat. Here you guys go. Also, Cray, is it alright if I make an edited version for the public? This is private. What is it? Oh, it's the clip. Alright, cheers dude for that. The clip of it. Someone gone diddly doofed. The title there. The actual title there. But yeah, cheers guys for coming out today. Last minute shout out to Brandon. Thanks dude. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out my dudes. Peace out. Peace out, they say.